In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect microphone to laptop Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up a microphone on your Windows 11 laptop. So to start, go over to the settings, and then under the system category, you will have sound. This is where you will be able to manage your output and input devices. Output is going to refer to where sound is being played from. So for example, your speakers, headphones, a headset, whatever, and then input is what we're looking for, a device for speaking or recording. Now, in here, if you expand this, you should be able to find your microphone. So for example, my microphone is this fine one that I'm using to record this video. All that I would have to do after I plug it into my laptop is to select it here. If you notice that your microphone is not appearing here, then what you have to do is choose Add Device. Now they are going to give you three options: Bluetooth, wireless display or dock, and then everything else. If your microphone falls under any of these categories, just choose it here and then proceed with the instructions. Sadly, because there are thousands of microphones out there, I cannot give you specific instructions for every single one. Check your particular manual and see how it is done. But if it isn't connected to one of these methods and you are using a cable, don't worry, here's what you do. Go over to Else on Devices and check to see if it appears on this list. If it doesn't, then you can go to More Sound Settings, and now you will see the playback and recording devices. Under recording, you have to make sure that it appears here. If it is not appearing here, it means that Windows is not detecting the microphone and you might be plugging it incorrectly, or you need to use an adapter. So this is going to be your indicator. Once you find a specific microphone that you want to use, if it says not plugged in, then just make sure that it is thoroughly plugged in. And if it says disabled, then you have to right click and then enable it. Once it has been enabled, it is going to be ready like this. Now you can set as the default device and default communications device, and then it's going to look like this. Once it is set up like this, you can go over to the properties, listen to the microphone, change the levels, and usually you don't have to care about the advanced tab. As long as your microphone appears here and is set as the default device, you will be good to go, and you can do the exact same thing here on the Windows settings. Like I said before, the most important thing by far is that you see it under the recording devices, because if you don't see it here, it means that Windows was not able to detect the microphone, which in turn means that it is not properly plugged into your device. So use these specific cables and plug it in thoroughly. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us run the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.